In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word makes it easy to create a planner by using one of its ready-made templates, giving you a convenient starting point that you can customize based on your needs. To begin, open Microsoft Word and select File from the menu. From there, choose New to access the available templates. You'll see a search bar where you can look for different types of documents and templates. Click inside the search bar and type Planners, then press Enter to view the available planner templates. Once the search results appear, take a moment to look through the different planner designs. You'll find several options with different layouts and styles, so you can choose the one that best matches the type of planner you want to create. When you find a planner that you like, select it. On the right side, you'll see a larger preview of the template. Review the thumbnail carefully to get an idea of how the planner is organized and how the different sections are arranged. This can help you decide whether the layout works for what you have in mind. After reviewing the template, select Create. Microsoft Word will then open the planner as a new document. From here, you have the opportunity to make any modifications you desire. You can adjust the content and personalize the planner so it works better for your own needs. Since you are starting with a prepared template, you already have the basic structure in place, which makes it easier to work with the document and make changes to the existing layout. This approach can be useful when you want to create a planner without having to build the entire layout from the beginning. The template gives you a starting point, while Word allows you to make the modifications needed to make the planner your own. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you'll have a planner that is organized and ready for your intended use. You can return to the template whenever you need to make additional adjustments or refine the layout. And that's how you can create a planner in Microsoft Word using one of its available templates. It's a simple way to get started while still giving you the flexibility to customize the document to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.